The National Weather Service in Albany has issued severe thunderstorm watch 559 until 3:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday morning. In New York, this watch includes 5 counties: Fulton, Montgomery, Herkimer, Hamilton, and Schoharie. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favored for severe thunderstorms.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fulton County and Montgomery County in eastern New York until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing nickel-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Fonda by 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Gloversville by 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Johnstown by 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Amsterdam by 8:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,